you are a student or anyone, there's something that you may be maintaining. That is the list of things that you need to do, buy, watch, make, or just any random list. Like your favorite songs or your wish list of plants. So, some people use a whiteboard or a paper or applications and websites for maintaining these lists. I also made an application. And now you may be wondering what's new in a Things to Do app. There are already thousands of them on the Play Store. Yeah, but not the ones that can be customized and are made by a person in need. Personally, I use this app every day because it's the perfect app for this use, and that's the reason it's always there on my home screen. Now, this app has 5 main features that can't be found in any other on the Play Store. Number 1. You can make as many lists as needed in just one application. Examples: things to do, things to make, things to read, or things to buy. Number 2. You can directly share the particular list items to anyone or any application just by the click of a button. Number 3. It doesn't require the internet to work, so there are no ads. It stores all the data on the device storage, and its user interface is so simple that even a 5-year-old or a 100-year-old can use it. Number 4. You can edit a pre-added task. Like, there's 3 works that you need to do related to a same subject. Once you complete one, you can edit that task and change it to 2 quite easily. Number 5. This one needs a little explaining, as it's the main one. So, there may be some tasks that you do every day or some things that you buy every month. So, basically, even after you remove those tasks, you can bring them back just with the click of a button. Let me show you. So right now, as you can see, I'm in the Things to Do application, and I'll go to other list and I'll go to the list Things to Buy. As you can see on the top, the title has also changed from Things to Do to Things to Buy. Now, right now, this list is empty. Let me add a few tasks to this list. So as you can see, I have right now added 5 items to the list, and these are the items that we need to buy every month. Alright, so I'll click on Save for Extra and save these items as an extra so that I can return it anytime as it shows in the notification. So what it will do is, it will save it in another list kind of in your phone only, and you can return it anytime even if you remove. So as you can see, I have added Yoga Mat and Arduino Uno. Now, once I've bought Arduino Uno, I can click on it and remove it. Alright, so I didn't click on Save for Extra before removing Arduino Uno and also before adding Yoga Mat. So I've removed Yoga Mat, and as you can see, now both of them are gone. I have also bought toothpaste, also bought rice, also bought wheat, also bought black and blue pens. Now the whole list is empty, but I want all those 5 things again, cause I need to buy wheat, rice, black and blue pen, etc. again. So I can simply click on the return button, and only those 5 things would come again, not the Arduino Uno and the Yoga Mat. Now you want this app, and you may find the link for its APK file in the description, as it's not there on the Play Store yet. Also, you can find the AIA file. So, if you know how to use MIT App Inventor, you can optimize the app according to your needs. Also, if you're unable to download the file or need to know how to use it even with its simple user interface, the link for a separate video is there in the description. To sum up, I've been using this app for more than a year and creating updates whenever I feel the need for a new feature. Although you will not be able to receive those updates after downloading, you can still use the AIA file if you want to create one of your own. Thank you for watching, and do consider subscribing if you need more useful apps like this or machines like the water reminder.